Well, this is kind of exciting. My accountant has given me a whole lot of new seedlings, including albino corn. So we're going to go through a few ideas on trying to keep it alive. I know, if you don't know about albino plants, is they don't have the green stuff, which is your chlorophyll, which makes them convert trace elements, minerals into sugars with sunlight and all that wonderful stuff. So albino plants generally die. Variegated plants with half white and half green on the leaves, which we do have a whole heap of variegated plants like that. They stay alive, but the white bits do nothing. So when they're albino, they don't do anything. Anyway, welcome back to my garden cage. Check out my beans. Yes, they have grown so much in the last week. So they were just holding on to the bottom of these, what are these called, chains in the skeleton cage. Yeah, eventually they're going to creep all the way up, and they are starting to. How cool is that? Potatoes are going crazy. Everything is growing super, super well. Yes, my original corn, which I am about to plant, look at it now. I didn't realize how much it has grown in the last week. So I really, really need to get it out of these tiny little pots. But the very cool thing that we did get, there it is there. Look at that. That is an albino or an albino corn plant. It is recessive genetics like a lot of albino is, which just means that you need two green corn plants carrying the albino genes to breed together, fertilize each other, whatever they do, germinate. No, the seeds germinate. And then you have a chance of roughly 1 in 4. Yeah, if they're recessive trait and the two parents are not showing the albino gene, yeah, 1 in 4 seeds will be albino. So this little guy here, yeah, usually what you can do to save these types of things is to graft the albino plant onto a healthy green plant. But because maize, corn is a type of grass, I don't think you can do that with grass, because if you cut it off there, attach it on there, it's probably not going to survive. So I think we might try a couple of other things. I do have a few ideas, and yeah, without getting too weird and boring in this video, what I think we might do is try syringing some sugars and stuff out of one of the healthy green corns and syringe it and inject it into the albino corn. Does that sound insane? That does sound insane, doesn't it? But hey, I like weird things, and albino is weird. No offense to any albino people watching this. You're very cool and your little eyes quiver and stuff. That's awesome. But anyway, we'll see if we can keep this little guy alive. I did not even expect to get it. It is a blue, what is it? Hoppy? I don't even know how you pronounce that. It's a blue corn. There you go. So I got all these today from my accountant. Yes, she likes to enable me. They got a few other awesome things. So this is mini blue corn. Apparently these ones here, obviously they haven't germinated yet. So I'll keep them nice and humid. What are they? Golden eggplants. I'm guessing they just are a gold eggplant, but I have not even Googled them. Zulu capsicum, no idea. If I have Googled it and uploaded this video, it'll be on the screen. And what's that? What's it say? Is that cranberry hibiscus? Is that just a normal hibiscus? No idea. Do you eat hibiscus? I think you can eat the flowers. I have no freaking idea. But we got those. So albino corn, very, very cool. Doesn't need any light, obviously, because it's albino. Light's just going to fry the little bugger. But we got all these as well. Now, I seriously need tags, because I'm not going to know what any of this stuff is when I move it out of here. But we have Big Max Pumpkin. So I think those are those massive big pumpkins that you see. And my accountant, by the way, very cluey with fruits, vegetables, everything. She has a giant seed bank. So these are not just dodgy eBay seeds that they say giant pumpkin and you end up with a potato or something stupid like that. So these are all pretty much going to be what they say they are. And we have a red warty thing pumpkin. The hell. So more pumpkins. Yeah, we're going to need a lot of room for pumpkins. I did get some big garden beds, so hopefully I will get organised enough to do that on my one day off and panic about these soon. More corn, so that's the blue hoppy, I don't know. Blue hoppy corn. So I think there is, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the albino one, or albino, depending on what part of the world you live in. And there are more blue mini corn. Obviously they will cross-pollinate, and then the corn being the seed ends up dodgy. So I can't keep those with my sweet corn, and I'm pretty sure I can't keep both of these together because then it's going to alter what the corn looks like, which is a right pain. We have blue banana squash. I've never grown a squash before. I think it's like a pumpkin, not entirely sure. And then we have, what is that? Purple beauty capsicum. I'm guessing it's a purple capsicum. And then on the other side, yeah, I don't know where this is going. I'm going to need a bigger cage. We have, what are they? Tennessee orange watermelon. Really? But there's like 5 of them. I'm guessing they won't all survive. Possibly will. We have tiger melon. I'm going to have to Google that. So maybe those have been on the screen, and yeah, I haven't seen them yet, but we are seeing them together. Spanish red, what? Marigold? No. Now, I know everyone plants marigolds to attract good bugs, and I don't like flowers. I'm going to grow them, and I'm going to give them back to Maddie, my accountant, because I'm not a fan of flowers or marigolds. That's why I have a cage, to stop the bugs, so I don't need flowers. I know, there's enough flowers on the fruit trees to pollinate for all the bees and stuff, and I think I will be getting native bees, not honey bees. Well, native bees produce honey anyway. Tom Thumb's Black Velvet Nasturtium? Oh, those are the little round leaf things. My uncle growing up had those in New Zealand. They're cool. Didn't know what they were. Maddie knows what they are. Maddie's got seeds germinated for me. Hurrah. So they're going to be fun. I don't know. I guess you eat them. I didn't even know you eat them, but that would explain why he had them, because he had heaps of food plants. Dancing with Smurf's potato. Is it because I'm blue? I googled them. They're not blue. They're like a muddy poo colour. Yeah, great. It should have been dancing with muddy poo. I can see why they didn't name those. And we have Empress of India Nasturtium. So from India. Hello to my Indian viewers. Yeah, that one's germinated. That one hasn't popped up yet. I'm sure it will. But that is our new plants and our new, oh, it's a cool little plant. Look at it. So hopefully that will grow a little bit more. And I think what I'll be doing is possibly taking sugars out of one of those, injecting it into this. So this is going to be my little junkie corn. I know, that's the only logic I can sort of think of at the moment. So if you've got any comments on suggesting how to keep that alive, why would I? Because I want to. That's why I would like to keep this alive. Yeah, just comment down below and possibly we'll see how long we can go with it. But yes, albino corn, ooh ah. I know. Apart from that, everything is going great. Everything is growing. Need to split everything up. Carrots are starting to look like carrots, but I planted way too many and I haven't thinned them out yet. Anyway, quick update on albino corn. Next update will be on all sorts of wonderful stuff. So if you want to see any more videos, subscribe on the subscribey thing, watch some videos on screen, and we will see you in the next one.